Ladies and gentlemen, tech lovers and fitness fanatics, today we're diving into the latest and greatest in smartwatch technology. The brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. But is it really worth the hype? Or is it just another overpriced wrist candy? Stick around because we're about to break it down. Oh, and before we get started, if you love tech reviews, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the hottest gadgets of 2025. Samsung really went all in on design this time. The 44mm silver finish is sleek, stylish, and surprisingly lightweight. You'd expect something so feature-packed to be bulky, but nope. It sits comfortably on your wrist whether you're at the gym or at a business meeting. Classy and functional. Navigating through the watch is super smooth. Thanks to Galaxy AI, it even learns your habits to give you more personalized recommendations. So basically, it's like having a personal coach. But on your wrist. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 doesn't just track your steps and heart rate. It literally calculates your energy score. What does that mean? Well, based on your activity and sleep, it tells you if you're ready to crush the day or take a nap instead. One reviewer said, "It finally explains why I feel like a superhero some days and a couch potato on others. And honestly, same an intense workout, it won't confuse your burpees with a heart attack. That's a win." Want to see real user experiences? Click the link in the description for more reviews and deals. Sleep is everything, right? Well, the Galaxy Watch 7 doesn't just track your sleep. It analyzes it. It even helps detect moderate to severe sleep apnea. Samsung out here doubling as a doctor. One user mentioned that after using this, they finally realized why they wake up feeling like a zombie. If you've ever wanted to improve your sleep without giving up coffee, this feature might just be a game changer. All right, time for the big question. Is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 worth your money? Pros: AI-driven insights for fitness and sleep, accurate heart rate tracking, no false alarms. Sleek, lightweight design, long battery life, around 40 hours per charge. Cons: expensive. But hey, premium tech comes at a price. Limited compatibility with iPhones. Sorry, Apple fans. If you want a premium smartwatch that actually helps you improve your health and fitness, the Galaxy Watch 7 is a no-brainer. But if you're on a budget, you might want to consider the previous models like the Watch 5 or 6. So, what do you think? Is this the future of smartwatches, or is there a better alternative? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for the best deals. See you in the next review.